So this is the solution for the problem bulls and cows. We are given two strings, secret and guess. So we are supposed to return the total number of cows and total number of bulls in the format we will discuss later. So the way we calculate bulls is bulls are defined, as if you have a number in guess at an index I, and if you have the same number in secret at the same index I, then you have a bull. So here we have at index 1 we have 8 in guess, and at the same index 1 in secret we have 8. So the number of bulls would be 1. For the cows, if you have a number in guess and you also have the same number in secret but at a different index, then you increment the cows. So here you have 0 and 0 in different index, and here you have 1 and 1 in different index, 7 and 7 in different index. So you have 3 cows. So they expect the answer in the form 1A, 3B. So here we have one bull, and we have two values of 1 in guess, but only one value of 1 in secret. So we can either pick this one or this one. So the number of cows would be 1. So here we would return answer 1A, 1B. Okay, let's take an example and solve it. So the way we're going to solve it is we're going to create an int array and to count the frequency of the occurrence of numbers. So let me write an int array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the problem statement, it is given that it will only be numbers. So so we can use the int array here to determine the count. So the first input example is secret 1807, guess 7810. So the counting of bulls is very simple. We are going to iterate through the string secret, and if we find the same value at a particular index of secret and guess, then we are going to increment the bull. So okay, here we'll keep a count of bulls, here we'll keep a count of cows. So okay, let's iterate. What we're going to do is we're going to so if we are going to find the same value, then we are not going to update it in the frequency map. This is the frequency map, F map. If we are not going to find, if it's not the same value, then we are going to use the frequency map. For secret, we are going to increment the value. For guess, we are going to decrement the value. So okay, first we'll compare 1 and 7. They are not equal, so we're going to increment 1, decrement 7. Next, we're going to compare these two. They are equal, so we're going to increment the bulls. So the next we're going to compare these two. 0 we are going to increment, 1 we are going to decrement. Okay, next we're going to compare these two. 7 we are going to increment, that becomes 0. 0 we are going to decrement, that becomes 0. Okay, so after having done that, we are going to determine the number of cows indirectly. So how do we do that? So first we're going to take the length of the string secret, subtract the total number of bulls, and subtract sum of positive values in frequency map. So that would be length of the secret is 4, the number of bulls is 1, and the sum of positive values in frequency map in this case is 0. So total number of cows is 3. So we derive the number of cows indirectly in a way that, okay, whatever is left apart from the bulls must be the maximum number of cows possible. The reason we calculate the sum of positive values in frequency map is it is positive only because we couldn't find a character in guess that can decrement it. If we had found a character in guess that would have decremented it, then it wouldn't be positive. So the way we determine cows is indirectly in the way, okay, we'll take the length. So okay, the maximum number of everything in the secret can be cow. That is the maximum possible. But if we have found bulls, then we have to subtract that from the maximum possible, and then we subtract all the things that are the sum of the positive values in the frequency map. That is how we calculate the total number of cows. Let's take another example. I'll draw the frequency map again. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the example is secret 1, 1, 2, 3, guess 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, first we are going to compare 1 and 0. They are different, so we are going to increment 1, decrement 0. Next we are going to compare these two, so they are same, so we are going to increment the number of bulls. Next we are going to compare these two, they are different, so we are going to increment 2, decrement 1. Decrementing 1 makes it 0. Next we are going to compare these two. We're going to increment 3, decrement 1, which makes it -1. Okay, so now to determine cows, we'll take length of secret, which is 4, minus total number of bulls, which is 1, minus the sum of positive values in the frequency map, which frequency array, which is 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So that is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So the answer would be 1A, 1B. So this is the expected answer.